Welcome to Share Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, entertainment, and fun. It's no coincidence that Royal Caribbean has been the line of choice for 2019 for many of our clients. And I had to ensure that I didn't miss out on the party. So we tagged along. As a matter of fact, we made a major entrance in this year's 2019 Avoya conference aboard the Navigator of the Seas with a wonderful stop in the perfect day, the newest private island. And oh, what an experience it was! You all did not really get a chance to see a lot of the fun and a lot of the activities that we had happening there for us. So we decided to sneak it all in right here. After all, once you are royal, or better still, you are loyal to Royal when you take Royal Caribbean as your vacation cruise line of choice. We love Royal. They love us too. Call us. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. Loyal to Royal, just for you, our valued clients. It's Independence Day. Happy Independence Day, Jamaica, land we love. And we are very excited to do this particular video dedicated to our super special clients, the Mackenzies, as they enjoyed their sailing aboard Royal Caribbean's premier line. Now, many times we do the talking, but in this particular insert for this particular episode, we'll allow the videos and the photos to talk for themselves. Take a look. Enjoy.